Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make the text on your messages app bigger than the normal one. So in order to do that you need to go to the settings, and from settings you need to go down and find control center, and from here as you can see it says included controls, and as you can see here more controls. From this more controls option you need to find let me tell you which. You need to find text size. After finding text size you just need to tap the plus icon, and after tapping the plus icon it will be included in the included section. As you can see the text size has been included. So after doing this process you need to close the settings app and open your messages application. After that you need to swipe this, and from here as you can see this has appeared on the screen. After tapping here you can either increase the size of the text for all apps, or only if you want for the only if you want for messages app, then you need to select this, and from here you can either increase or decrease the size of your text. So yeah, that's how you change the text size on your iPhone. Hope this video helpful. If this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe.